Welcome back to this section here. So for this section, we'll see how to use every chart, every graph here in Power BI. So before we start, I'll first of all like to start with let's see what we have here. I think that was not indicated. So first now I would like us to see how to insert text box, because I want to insert this. I want to teach you this first. I'll be using this for all the charts. Let's see how to insert your text box. All right, so to insert your text box, you can actually come to insert. Okay, we have it here, insert, and you have your text board. But then no need to waste our time. We also have it here, which is this one here. Click on it. So when you click on it, you have it here. So you can extend it to how much you want. So right now, then you type what you want to type in. I want to use our first chart will be, let me just call this text box. Text box. So when I'm done, you can highlight it, then centralize it. Let me increase the size to 36. That's big enough. Then centralize it, put it at the center. And also, because Power BI is yellow, so I'm going to make the background yellow. Okay, so I'll come over here. Then we'll come to effects, background, change it to yellow. Let's get a different yellow here. Okay. All right, I love this now. So this is it now. So now we have, so this is how to insert your text box. You can write anything you want to write. You can write as much as you want. All right, you can write whatever you want to write in this part. So this is how to insert your text box. So in our next class, we'll see how to insert, how to use other charts, and we'll start with the column chart. See you in our next class.